Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you view live estimated wait times for attractions in both Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure. You can use the interactive map or list view to monitor ride queues, attraction closures, lightning lane availability, and plan your next stop throughout the day. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to check ride wait times in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for planning a more efficient day at Disneyland. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app, open the Disneyland app, sign into your Disney account if needed, and you are ready to view attraction information. Now open the map or wait time section. So inside the app, tap the map icon at the bottom of the screen, as you can see here, okay, and make sure attractions or wait times is selected, okay, and the map will display live ride wait times across the the park. So browse ride wait times. So now check the attractions. Zoom in on map to view nearby rides. Tap any attraction to see more details. Review the current estimated standby wait time. You may also see attraction status, lightning lane availability, and operating information. So switch between parks, like if you are visiting both parks. Tap Park Selector or Filter at the top of the screen. Choose Disneyland Park or Disney California Adventure, and the app will display wait times for your selected park. Use List View for an easier overview, and refresh throughout the day. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial.